Sametop handlebar, seat post and pole mount that allows a 360-degree rotation once the bracket here is mounted, the clamp is mounted on the pole. We have here an idea of easy customer service access. They thank you for picking this, and there is a quick description on how this looks like when it's installed. And we can see here the diameters for pipes you can, or bars you can mount this on. It goes from 9mm up to 35mm. That's the specification for this. Let's put this one here and let's have a quick look at how this looks like. I get a little closer to the camera. This is all very nicely made. There's a rubber insert here to adapt to the different diameters. You can use it directly on the pole with a larger diameter. You can use this one for medium and this one here for small. They are inserted in this hole here, like that. You see on this rubber grommet there is like a little thing that it doesn't flip around in here. And let me show you on an example here. I have like a hole here where I can mount it to. So this is how it would mount. You take it around the pole like this, and then you tighten the screw. And at this point, it is mounted on here. See that? You would then mount your GoPro up here. Now, you will say, hey, this goes the wrong direction. That's fine. You can loosen this screw here. And just to make sure, you can not unplug this whole thing completely. So there's no way this will fall off, okay? You just loosen the screw and then you can move this around in the direction you need. There's also little bumps in there where it gets stuck, so it's not 100% smooth in here. There's little bumps in there that keep it in a certain spot. So when you like run your mountain bike and it shakes a lot, that it really stays in this position and that certain angle for good. Okay, and even if this screw unscrews or gets loose due to vibrations, if that should happen, it cannot fall apart. So you're always safe that you don't lose your camera. Right? So that's how this looks like. Very nice mount. So this is where you tighten the screw. And then you can loosen this screw here to put this in a straight direction. You see this is pretty straight. And then you can mount your camera on it. So, there we have it. That's a nice screw here that holds nice. Let's go for a drive.